Hi! In front of me is HONOR X6a, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, click on the best one for you to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my HONOR has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!